Alam kung paano napunta yung Hindi ko alam kung paano napunta yung bato dito. Oh, almost. This is a natural. Amazing. Paano kaya napunta yung bato dito? Ito yung tinatawag nilang solitude rock viewing platform. Psychology shows that productive people have 3 types of hobbies. And if may na-miss kang isa sa mga ito, you're not really recharging. You're draining yourself. 1. Focus hobby. This allow you to strengthen your ability in focusing, like playing chess. Number 2, social hobby, like volunteering. And number 3, ito yung physical hobby, like running, trekking, yoga, swimming, anything that clears mental fatigue and floods your brain with dopamine and focuses. This will reset your body and mind. This is my 3rd and final chapter in the series of videos when I climb the Kulwan Trail. And if hindi mo pa napanood yung dalawa, na-upload ko na sa aking TikTok, pwede nyo hanapin, or sa Facebook. Medyo downhill na ito lahat sapagkat naakyat ko na yung highest peak. And pagbaba ko, nagulat ako, may nakita akong supot na iniwan. Ang laman niya ay orange. Titingnan ko lang, hindi ko na kinunan, baka kasi balikan pa ng may-ari. Lahat ng dinaanan ko, bago lahat sa paningin ko. Hindi ka naman dito maliligaw sapagkat meron ding mga signage. Medyo malayo-layo na rin ang napuntahan ko base sa aking smartwatch. And conscious na ako sa time sapagkat around 7, meron akong aatinan na birthday. Hindi ko alam kung maaabutan ko pa yun. So time check is 5:20 in the afternoon and ito na yung kalsada niya. May nadaanan din akong pavilion at overlooking siya sa Haksa Beach. Pero hindi ako nagtagal dito. Maraming trail path section na kailangan kong balikan at puntahan, pero yung focus ko is makababa na. I made promise to myself this 2026 na as much as possible, I will focus also on my health and physique. In any way, shape, or form, I will exert an effort. I will be more productive as much as I can. So ito yung konting paliwanag. Kung dito to ako dadaan, dito yan. Pero kung dito ako dadaan, dito yan. So parang hinati ko lang yung bundok at madali kong nakita yung kabilang dulo, which is Kotay area. Ang target ko na lang ngayon is hanapin yung daan pababa kasi nag-aagaw na yung liwanag at dilim. Productive people don't just work hard. They balance on focus, movement, and connection. And that's what keeps them consistent and creative. But you also need to keep yourself physically healthy and well. Malayo na yung nilakad ko at malapit na akong makarating sa dulo. Kung napapansin nyo, last week, yan yung pinuntahan ko dyan. Yung bundok kung saan nakita ang pinakamalaking sawa daw dito sa Macau. At dahil naghahanap na ako ng shortcut, medyo technically naligaw pa rin ako. So,